Public places in English. Train station. Taxi stand. Parking lot. Subway station. Airport. Bus station. Gas station. Clinic. Police station. Hospital. Fire station. Pharmacy. Post office. Library. Kindergarten. University. Playground. School. Park. Zoo. Aquarium. Museum. Art gallery. Theater. Cinema. Concert hall. Stadium. Sports center. Swimming pool. Gym. Shopping mall. Grocery store. Butcher shop. Bakery. Bookstore. Supermarket. Clothing store. Café. Ice cream shop. Restaurant. Toy store. Fast food shop. Hotel. Motel. Bank. Office building. Factory. Market. Hair salon. Beauty salon. Veterinary clinic. Church. Mosque. Barber shop. Courthouse. Ferry terminal. City hall. Embassy. Bus stop. Train platform. Harbor. Lighthouse. Farm. Warehouse. Recycling center. Cemetery. Dentist office. Community center. Spa. Amusement park. Police checkpoint. Exhibition hall.